Hello, my name is Beyoncé. I am 34 years old. My love story with Jay-Z, it is about forgiveness. Many years ago now, I met a special man. He was a rapper, Jay-Z. I was a young singer. We met at a studio. We talked about music. We talked about life. We felt a connection. Our friendship grew fast. He was my good friend. We spent a lot of time talking on the phone. Our talks became longer. Our feelings grew stronger. We fell in deep love. It was a big moment. We worked very hard. We made great music. We were a strong team, in music and in love. We got married quietly, just our close family. It was a very happy day. Our love was a secret. The world saw our success. They saw our big love. We were a power couple. Everyone knew our names. Our first child was born. Our daughter, Blue Ivy. Our family was growing. Our life seemed perfect. Our love was a dream. It felt so very strong. We were building an empire. Nothing could break us. My life was a dream. I had my true love. I had our sweet child. I had my big success. Jay-Z was my king. I was his queen. We worked side by side. Our empire grew fast. We made great music. People loved our songs. We went on big tours. The world saw our names. Our photos were everywhere. We smiled for the cameras. We looked so happy. A perfect family picture. But sometimes, alone, I felt a small quiet. A feeling I could not name. It was deep inside me. Jay-Z was busy now. He worked very much. Sometimes he was far. I felt a cold distance. I told myself, it's fine. This is normal, I thought. All couples have times when things are not easy. I focused on my work. I focused on Blue Ivy. I tried to make things good. I tried to keep smiling. The world still saw us as the power couple. They saw our bright smiles. They saw our strong love. But some things were hidden. Hidden from the cameras. Hidden from the world. A new truth was coming. My perfect picture cracked. I felt a strange chill. Small questions came to me in my quiet moments. Jay-Z was often busy. He was often away. He worked very much. I felt alone sometimes. Phone calls grew shorter. Our talks were not deep. I felt a new distance between his heart and mine. He would come home late. I would be in bed. He had many secrets. I could feel them there. I tried not to think. I tried not to ask. I sang my own songs. I danced on the stage. My inner voice spoke. It was a soft whisper. Something is not right. Something is changing. I saw many things. Small actions, fast words. They were like tiny holes in our strong, big love. I loved him very much. I loved our family. I wanted to believe that nothing was wrong. My heart felt a sadness I hid well from the world's eyes, from my own self too. But the truth was growing inside my soul. It would soon be loud. It would soon break free. The pain grew so big, it filled all my heart. I could not keep quiet. I had to share it. My art became my voice. My feelings turned to song. I made a new album. Its name was Lemonade. Each song was a feeling, a piece of my pain. It was about a woman who loved and was hurt. I sang about sadness. I sang about anger. I sang about lies. It was my true story. The album came out fast. The world listened close. They heard my raw voice. They felt my deep hurt. People watched my videos. They saw my tired eyes. They saw my broken heart. They knew my feelings. The songs made them think, is this about Jay-Z? The news talked a lot. The world wanted to know. It was hard to share. My pain was now public, but I felt a new strength. My art set me free. I cried many tears, but I was not alone. My fans stood with me. They understood my pain. My truth was now out. It was in my music, a strong, bitter taste, like sweet lemonade. My music was very loud. It told my whole story. It was about my pain. It was about my hurt. Every song felt heavy. Every word was true. It showed a woman's heart. When love is broken, I sang about sadness. I sang about anger. I sang about lies. I sang about betrayal. The world was listening now. They heard my honest voice. They saw my feelings. My art became my tears. It was hard to share. My private pain was public, but I felt a new strength. My art gave me power. I cried many tears, but I was not alone. My fans stood with me. They felt my feelings too. My truth was out now. It was in my music, a strong, bitter taste. Like sweet lemonade, I walked on the stage. My heart felt heavy, but my voice was strong. I sang my painful songs. This was my honest art. It was a part of me. It showed all my wounds, but also my real fight. The world heard my songs. My pain was out now. Jay-Z heard my words. He knew what he did. It was a hard time. We talked, just the two. Our words were full of pain. Our hearts felt heavy. We had big problems. We had to face them. We could not hide now. The truth was too strong. We went to see someone, a person to help us, to talk about feelings, to talk about trust. It was not easy then. We cried many tears. We had to be honest, to fix what was broken. Our love was so big, but it felt so hurt. We needed to work hard to make it strong again. Jay-Z listened to me. He saw my deep pain. He knew he made mistakes. He wanted to change. I wanted to forgive, but it was very hard. My heart was still sore. It needed time to heal. We took small steps. Every day we tried to rebuild our trust, to find our way back. Our love was a garden. It needed much care. We watered it with truth. We hoped it would grow. After my album, Lemonade, the world was talking. They heard my loud pain. Jay-Z heard it too. He knew he had to speak. He knew he made a mistake. He made his own album. Its name was 444. In his songs, he talked. He talked about his life. He talked about his choices. He talked about our love. He said he was sorry. He said he was wrong. He spoke of his shame. He truly regretted it. His words were honest. They were full of pain. He wanted my forgiveness. He wanted to fix us. It was hard to listen. It was hard to believe. But I heard his heart. I heard his real pain. He showed his true self. He showed his deep hurt. He wanted to change. He wanted to be better. Our fans listened closely. They heard his message. They saw his true wish. They saw him trying. This was a big step. A step for his healing. A step for our love. A step for forgiveness. His words helped me too. They opened a small door. A door to new peace. A door for our future. Jay-Z's words were real, but words are just words. Now, we had to work to fix our broken trust. It was very hard. We talked for many hours. We talked about feelings. We talked about pain. Sometimes we felt angry. Sometimes we cried much. We had to be honest, even when it hurt. We went to see a person to help us, to learn how to talk, to learn how to forgive. I needed to trust again. This was a big step. Jay-Z had to show me he was a new man. He changed his ways. He showed me his love. Every day he tried hard to earn my trust back. Our love was a garden. It was hurt badly. We watered it with truth. We worked on it together. It took a long time. Forgiveness is not fast. It needs much patience. It needs much true love. We learned new lessons about life and about us. Our love was deeper now. It was stronger than before. This was our new chapter. A chapter of healing. A chapter of hard work. A chapter of true love. Our hard work paid off. Our love grew so strong. We found our way back. We were happy again. Our family grew bigger. We had 2 new babies, twins, a boy and a girl. Their names are Rumi and Sir. John was born first, then came Blue Ivy. Now we had more children. Our family was complete. Jay-Z became a great dad. He spent time with our kids. He changed many diapers. He was very present. We went on tour again. The On the Run 2 tour. We sang our songs together. We showed our true love. Our concerts were big. Fans saw us on stage. They saw our real bond. Our love was on show. We talked about our journey, about pain and healing. We shared our lessons. Our story helped others. We made new music, songs about our life, songs about our family, songs about our love. Our home was full of joy, full of laughter and peace. Our love was stronger now, stronger than ever before. We were a true team. Jay's, our kids, and me. We built a new life, full of love and trust. Our life was full of love. Our family was complete. We felt very happy. We felt very strong. We shared our story, the good and the bad. We showed our journey of love and forgiveness. People listened to us. They saw our real life. They saw our true effort. They saw our healing. Our message was simple. Love can face hard times. Love can find its way. Love can heal all things. We knew it was hard. We knew it took work. But trust can be built, and love can grow back. We still make music. We still work together. Our art is our life. Our family is our everything. Our children grew well. They learned about love. They learned about peace from our own example. Our story is a lesson for the world, about holding on tight, about choosing true love. We are Beyoncé and Jay-Z. We are a strong couple. Our love is our power, and forgiveness is real. Our song plays forever, a song of our journey, a song of our triumph, a song of true love. What did you learn from Beyoncé and Jay-Z's journey? Which part of their love story touched you most? How will you use their message of love and forgiveness in your own life? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If this story helped you, please like the video, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe. Every week we post real stories with lessons told in simple English for learners like you. Thank you for watching. Keep reading, keep learning, and remember, love is strong. It heals. Your story can be too.